How to fix Telegram could not connect to server error. The could not connect to server error means Telegram can't reach its server, stopping you from sending or receiving messages. Start by checking your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one connection works better. Restart your router if you are on Wi-Fi, as this often resolves network issues. If you use a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily. VPNs can sometimes block or slow connections to Telegram servers, causing these errors. Next, clear the Telegram's cache through the mobile settings. Corrupted cache files can prevent proper communication with servers. If the error continues, uninstall Telegram and reinstall it on your device. This ensures you have the latest version and a fresh install. Switching your device's DNS settings to public DNS can improve connection reliability if your ISP is blocking certain servers. Have you seen this error message before? Share your experience or tips in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.